Yeah? What you doing? Just to clarify, that's a toy gun, not an actual gun.
Nice. Training them young.
Whatever. Well, you could see like part of it, but not the part where it shows it's a toy. And that looks so bad taking a recording of him. He's like eating and there's like, it just looks bad.